Hello, Moonies! Sailor Utsumakun here, and the reason why I'm so excited is I finally got into the unboxing video I've been waiting to do. Now, as you know, I've been doing unboxing of the Sailor Moon pull-up line, pull-ups, and in the case of Chibiusa and Princess Small Lady dolls, Tuxedo Mask Tang, and Helios Isul. Well, today I made a promise to myself when I started collecting these that if I couldn't get my favorite Sailor Senshi, I wasn't gonna bother. After months of trying and getting 3 denied transactions, look who I got. She was actually the first one I got, but I wanted to save her for last because this is my baby. This is Sailor Saturn, of course. Um, and then as you see, she's got the official Toei and Gru sticker. So we're going to get her out. Unfortunately, she is a Dal, just like Chibiusa. And out of all of them, I have a Taeyang, I have several pull-ups, I have an Isul. Dal is my least favorite. I mean, I know why they did it. Saturn is smaller than the other scouts, but not my cup of tea. Alright, I'm going to see if I can get her out in the most minimum damage possible. And of course not. She is another one that, like Black Lady, is crazy expensive for some reason. Because she's out of stock everywhere, too. Alright, so here's her tiara. And as usual, no one can ever decide what they want for Saturn's tiara gem. They went with clear white. I will say this. I'm really glad that they chose to do her default Fuku instead of the Super Sailor Fuku. I've never been a fan of the Super Sailors. Like, all they got was, like, a longer bow and whatnot, but... Okay, Saturn is not that tall. Alright. And, of course, just like all of them, she comes with a card. I almost bought another one so I could keep mine in the box, but I missed out on it. There's her card. But like I said, I'm never going to sell these anyway, so... Not after all the trouble I went through to find her. Amazon, I tried her through the doll market, where she was the cheapest, but I missed her, and she was sold out. Finally, I got lucky with her. And she sold out everywhere. Now I'm going through a similar problem. I went through a similar problem with Black Lady, and finally got lucky. And I also am going through a similar problem with Queen Serenity. So that's why whenever they announce a new one out, I pre-order them when I can. So in this case, I will be pre-ordering Princess Kakyu or Princess Fireball. Um, Okay, let's get Saturn out. There she is. And what is up? There we go. Okay. Like I said, she is really lovely, and she doesn't seem to be anywhere near as top heavy as Chibiusa was. Oh, never mind. Spoke too soon. So, gonna style her. Unfortunately, I'm really bummed, but she does not come with her silence glaive. And I know that turned a lot of people off from collecting these. And like, because even her premium release, she didn't come with her silence glaive. She came with her school uniform. But there she is. Very top heavy, but very, very beautiful. I'm glad that I decided to grab her first. And unfortunately, since she is a doll, all she can do is move her eyes side to side. She cannot wink. So, even though she is got the doll pouty face, her eyes are lovely. Don't mean to be doing a review here. Um, so, yeah. Let me get her on her stand. Okay. Until next time, Moonies, I'll see you. Bye.